Today, we're making Chiiz떡꼬치 skewers with pesto. If you love pesto and rice cakes, you're going to love this recipe. The flavors combine really well together. It's chewy, cheesy, and delicious, and it's quick and easy to make. Okay, let's get right to it. Cut your mozzarella sticks using the rice cakes to measure into the same length. Blanch rice cakes in boiling hot water for 2 minutes or medium to medium high. Then rinse them in cold water to prevent further cooking. Drain and pat dry using a paper towel or cheesecloth. Skewer and alternate between the rice cakes and mozzarella sticks. Then brush them with pesto oil. In a non-stick frying pan, place the skewered rice cakes and mozzarella cheese sticks on medium to medium-low heat for about 1 minute on one side until slightly golden brown. Then flip. Once flipped, take a spoon and spread the pesto sauce on the top of the skewered rice cakes and mozzarella sticks while it's cooking on the other side. Grill for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. Once the bottom is slightly golden brown, take it out of the grill, and it should look like this. Now it's ready to be eaten. 먹자, let's eat!